Hello, I'm Phil Corbett and I draw Korky the Cat. And here's how you draw him. He's just dead simple. Basically, he's just 3 circles. You've got one for the nose, one for the eye, one for the other eye. Dot, dot. Give him a nice round head. Leave a little space for the whiskers. Same on the other side. Din, din, din. Din, din, din. 3 whiskers. Smiling mouth. If you want to give him a bit of extra cheekiness. A little bit of cheek, quite literally. There's his fur. 2 ears for his face. Right, he's got a lovely scraggly ruff around his neck, and his body is basically that, a T for the legs. Add the arms, his nice thick tail, the white tip at the end, the white marks around his legs and wrist, and let's give him a little smiley wave. And that's basically him. You colour this bit in dark blue, red nose and the green eyes, and that's Korky.